Hey, good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening, it depends on the place you're watching us from. On today's video is a super special video guys. I'm having our beast right behind. Oh, it looks so dirty. Look at the tiles, look at the tiles, look at the tiles. Oh, I'll have to take it to the couch. So good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening, it depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a super special video guys. I'm shooting this video actually from our dreamland over here in Kenya, Africa. And please make sure to subscribe if you are new, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. This day today, it's a really nice special day. Just want to pay a visit at our dreamland because we have been so much busy running some errands up and down. And of course, this day today we planted, last time we planted what we call like kales. So we transplanted them, so I've been watering them. So today I want to see how their situation, how they are faring on, you know. Sometimes you need to give it a break at times, but right now today I'm back. I want just to open the gate, then I'll be sharing with you how everything is on our dreamland. For those who are new here, please welcome, feel free. My name is Claude Joseph. Check me out on this YouTube at Claude Joseph, and of course subscribe if you haven't, share, and comment down below what you think about this video. Just like that, after a chain. Wow, we are now in on our dreamland over here, and as you see, we have been doing what we call like watering. Oh my god, do they have life? Let me check. Do you still have life? This shows you a sign of how dry this season is right now. But we always pump water, and we just do what we call like watering these crops. This kales is now a gigantic kale, so it produces what we call like suckers like this one. So I was just trying to pluck this to plant them around here. So you see, like here this morning they were doing what we call like watering. So you see it's kind of wet still. So at least I can see hope. I can see hope, despite that the leaves has really dried up, but I can still see hope that they'll do well because they're just suckers from here. So like this should have to be removed from this place to be planted somewhere else. Yeah, so welcome all to our dreamland, and this is where CJ bought land, and this is where I want to dwell in, you know, dwell on his or her own compound. So this place is where I'll be calling home, and this is where even if you'll be paying a visit, you'll be told, oh, at that point there, that's Claude's place. So you'll be free, you'll feel free. So this place will feel more comfortable and more free compared to my parental home there, because right there you might come, and whether maybe my dad is kind of drunk a little bit, or maybe they're having their issue with the wife a little bit, so it'll be like, this is how CJ is staying here with the parents. But when you'll be here, you'll be more free to move from one place to another, or you'll be free even to pluck watermelon here. You'll be free to have your passion fruits. And the thing I love about this is this place is so fertile. I really love the fact that it's very fertile on this side. And also through this point, I just want to do what you call like to build, starting from this place where you see it's green all the way to the upper side, So we already have hardcores, stones, and ballast over there. But let's put that aside. So on this other end, we're doing what we call like we are practicing what we call like agriculture. So you see, like this, it's a lot of water we have been watering here. Look, so you see how it is. We are watering it, despite that it's so sunny. All Mother Nature is not creating justice. Look at the clouds. Which kind of clouds are these? Are these cirrus clouds? Clouds? Nimbus clouds? How many types of clouds do we have? We have, oh my god, nimbus clouds, cirrus clouds. Oh my god. How many types of clouds do we have? How many types of clouds do we have? Not Cloud Joseph. No, no, no. Clouds on the sky. Like here we have nimbus sky, nimbus clouds, cirrus clouds, stratus, something like that. But anyway, we are not in science. We are learning. Look at that place. You see, we have some fruits. All those that you see are watermelons. So I'm taking you there so that you can see. At least right now they are more exposed. Look, right now they are more exposed because it's so sunny, and on this other end they are doing what you call like they are on maturing point. So when they are at maturity point, the leaves really, some leaves try to fall off, and some leaves try to do what we call like to dry up. Some decides to turn to yellowish, but with me right now I was thinking maybe it's a kind of a fungal infection or a bacterial infection about the plants. But when I did some little research, I was told that when they are about to mature, because right now they are hitting almost 80 days, not 80 days but 90 days, which some of I think they are already. But we will have to try again today we see how it is, because the maximum or the minimum is 80 days, but maximum is 100 days. So which means we have 10 more days plus to go. So not talk much but show you what we have. So this is what I'm telling you. You see, like this place, they were so vegetative at first. They were very much vegetative, but right now, as you see, they are shedding leaves starting from this point. You see, like this one has already dried up. We had a watermelon here. I think someone just passed with it. Oh my god, that's how it is. But we have to cope up. So on this other side, you see, most of them are shedding leaves, and the leaves are really drying up starting from the stem. I don't know if it's a sign of them growing big or a sign of them maturing. And also, according to some research that I did, is like when you see the tender reel, this one means that if the tender reel is still green, it means this one is still not ready. But when you see a tender reel turning to golden brown like this one, shows you that the nearby watermelon is ready. But I really don't know like what is the matter with this, because we have been following up all the procedures. That's why you see even this other side, I've just decided to plow it and do some furrows, and so that I can turn I will turn what you call like I will turn it to also, when these ones are already out, I'll do what we call like transplant others. Also you have to buy, these are hybrid called hybrid watermelons. They are Scary F1. So for the experts who knows more, or who have been venturing into agriculture more, because me, I just did it as a trial for this, and I'm seeing they are doing very well. But the funny thing is, at this point, the last month they're doing what we call like their last month to maturity. They are doing what we call like the leaves are already shedding, and this is what you see. You see, like this place, it's very dry. You see, very dry, very dry. And I'm not quite sure if really are they growing off. So something like this one shows a sign of growing. Like this one, it will be ripe. It might be. The funny thing with the watermelons is the funny facts about watermelon is you will not know, if you're not an expert on them, you will not know whether they are ripe or unripe. They might even stay on the land for maybe even 6 months without you knowing that they are ripe. And the moment they exceed maybe 100 days of maturity, they will start to rot. I've been doing more researches about checking on how the watermelons are, what shows them that they are already ripe or they are already ready for to be eaten or to be consumed, but still hey, I'm not really okay on this, man. A watermelon is bigger like this. You see, like this one, it's so big. This one can go for let me say 8 plus kgs. Let me turn it so that you can see it. Oh man, I was told to have to turn this side so that also this place can absorb. Ooh la la, it's so heavy. Also this place can absorb what you call like sunlight. So just like that way. So when you see this place turns so much yellow like this, and it produces that kind of sound, they tell you that it's ready. But for sure, and you come also, others tells you when the tender reel is dry, shows you that the watermelon is ready. But I don't know which type of watermelon does this scenario apply to, because this is Sukari F1. This is Sukari F1, and the variety of this watermelon is called Sukari F1. So, and I don't know, because you see like this one, it shows you it's kinda yellow. It has already turned yellow this side. But the tender reel, let me show you the tender reel. But the tender reel, this one, it's not yet dry. Hasn't yet dried up, you know. So already it shows you that this place is yellow, but it doesn't show you that the tender reel has dried up. Let's try to see if we will see any sign of dried tender reel. Maybe we will try that. We will try that. This one, this tender reel is almost, you see this tender reel, this one is almost dry. So we want to check on a tender reel that has and also it produces another sound. Let's check down here. Ooh la la, let's check down here. Down here it's yellow. It's yellow. Oh man, and it's so cold down here. So that's the funny thing that I really don't know about, because it shows you, they tell you that one side will turn to be more yellow, the side that has slept, it has the watermelon has slept on. But you see, even this one has been the time is not with it, so already it has rotten up. So you have, this one is a waste, so you have to unplug it from this side. Oh man, look, this is a waste. So I don't know how, I'll just unplug it just from down here, and then we throw it there, yeah, so that it cannot cause others also to rot. Let's check this one. This one, the tender reel is still not yet, but it produces a crazy sound, you know. It produces another sound. Even this side is not yet as it has been. Anyone who knows the secrets of growing this Sukari F1 variety of watermelons, right now, as you see right now how they have really themselves all the way. They have really exposed themselves out, because the other time they were very vegetative, but this time, this is what you see. There are a lot. Look, a lot of them. So one of our subscribers on this YouTube channel really said if they are ready, if these watermelons are ready, we can harvest maybe 10 or 12 of them, then we can take actually, she promised to buy, is one of our subscribers, she promised to buy them, to take them to an orphanage. That's the children home where you saw we took rice the other day and some other foodstuffs. So yeah, so the crazy thing is, I'm not really sure if they're really much okay, because I don't want to take somebody's money. I don't want to take somebody's money and say that they are ready, and then when I take there, they are not ready. So it's better for me to wait for maybe a couple of 2 weeks, then we check how it is. And also, for you guys who are near, start making your orders, because you see, they are here. The watermelons are here. I'll just keep them for you, and yeah, until when. The good thing of this one, the moment you harvest it and you put it in a cold place, it doesn't go wrong. It doesn't go bad, you know. So we have like how big of them. So look at like this one. So how will this survive? Oh my god, look. How will this survive? You know, because the leaves have already shed off, and as you check on this side, as you check on this other side, it's no, this is the leaf, and the tendril, no, this one, the tendril has really dried up, but I cannot attempt to cut it. I cannot attempt to cut it because it's so big. It's so big. Maybe this one will make a good. This one will make a good sale at the market. CJ. So this is like 8 to 9 kgs. This one, 8 to 9 kgs, because the tendril has already dried up. So which means it's almost ready. It's almost ready. But the funny thing is, the funny fact about this is that the leaves are drying up. I don't know if it's a sign of them getting mature or not, but let's wait and see. Jirani, hi, kwa salama ya, niko na watermelon ya 100 hapa, $1 $2. Kuna kubwa hapa kabisa yenye watoto watakula washibe kama hii. Oh, sawa, acha nimalize basi. Hi. Yes, correct, making his neighbor. He's a good friend of mine. That sometimes need to know, you know, sometimes things are moving on this side, and yeah. The funny thing is, somebody came watermelon from this side. So you see, we had a very big watermelon right here, and somebody came and plucked it from this point. So it was a very big watermelon right around here, but somebody came and stole it. But they will steal what they can steal, but they will not steal what we call like a skill from me, you know. What if I stop doing what we call like growing these watermelons from here? What will they steal? But anyway, let me not complain. Even birds don't have land to farm, but they still feed on. Let me just console myself with that saying, that even birds don't have a farm, but they still feed on every single day. But you check, guys, I'm so much grateful of this. But the sad moment is, there's some people who are stealing here. There's some people who are stealing my watermelon. We had some big watermelons, very big. I mean big, you know. But there are no wonder when I come here every day. So they steal them at night. I find that a watermelon like this, I put it somewhere like this, but they have just turned it from there. You see, like this one, if I take like this and put it here, let me show you a place like this one here. You'll find that they have already gone with it. But anyway, that's it. I told myself again that birds don't have land to farm, but they still feed on. Down here, guys, you see we have prepared land. We are now waiting for rain, because we can pump water from the river, but right now let me wait, because they are at position, they are at the seedling. Because the seeds that I want to plant, I'll show you the kind of seedlings I want to plant. They're beetroot. So the moment they have rain, they can germinate with rain, and then when they are at least they have germinated with 2 or 3 leaves, I can now pump water from the river. Pump water from the river. Yeah, so just like that. Also, we have you have kales over here. They're doing a very good job too. But I'm so much happy with these watermelons. You see how they are? But the funny thing is, they're still big. People steal the bigger ones and they leave some smaller ones. But I will not give up. I will not give up farming. I will not give up. You see some big gaps like here. I don't know if this guy takes them to the market or not, because they are not yet ready. You see, like this one. Guys, this watermelon is very huge and it's very big. Actually, you see, a hand cannot fit it. A hand cannot fit this, you know. But the funny thing is, this guy come and do what we call like steal them. I don't know if they're going to eat or they are taking them to the market before I take them to the market. That's the funny thing. That's the only thing that I don't know about it. But anyway, I also have to console myself. Birds don't have a place to farm, but they still feed on. But I always do hard work, guys. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Oh my God. Look at these hands. They're even having blisters. I don't know if you can see them well. You know? Trust me not. Nowadays I don't greet people by hand like this. Nowadays I don't greet people by hand like this. I'll either give you a high five like this or just give you a fist. Reason being, the moment I'll just hold your hand this way. This hand have a lot of scales, and this scales comes from this hard work that I'm doing here. Weeding every single time, pumping water day to day, coming here, spraying chemicals, doing what we call mixing stuffs, preparing land, and all this sweat. Somebody come and steal, you know, instead of him or her come and say, hey CJ, I see your watermelons, are they ready? Yes or no? Maybe come, maybe after a week I'll give you. But they just choose to come and steal, and they're not yet ready. They are not yet ready. We are just remaining with some couple of weeks so for that they can be ready. But somebody is coming with his or her own mind, come and steal. This is what actually is pushing me more. You know why? This is pushing me more to tell you that CJ, come and build here. Even if it's a galvanized sheet house, come and stay here and look after your stuffs. This, I don't know. Oh, this one has rotten up. This one has rotten up. It was bitten by something. It was bitten by, you see, these are some of the challenges of a farmer. This one has been beaten up by, it has been beaten up by let me check on this. It was bit. You see how it is? This one was beaten up by a melon fly. You see, it was almost ready inside, so it was beaten up by a melon fly. This one. So that's why you see it's this way. So those are challenges of a farmer, you know. But anyway, I won't give up, man. That is like they're giving CJ energy. They're telling CJ, go. They're cheering up. Go. Something like that. So the most funny thing is, also my friend also over also from the same scenario. This one, it's Skyda. He's also suffering from the same scenario. But hopefully we'll overcome this. And by overcoming this, putting here even a small galvanized house, so they will not know that whether you are in or not. Sky, man, I'm not fine, bro. Thieves are just invading on our land, bro. You know?
There are a lot of thieves. That's what I've concluded.
Yeah.
So I really don't know what we can do to control this. It's becoming very tough for us.
Becoming notorious.
Very tough.
I think the biggest solution is me to come and stay over here. I can leave my home and so come and stay.
At least you can be watching. But
I can be watching.
When a thief decides to steal from you, as much as you live around, as much as even you install some CCTV cameras, they'll still come.
They still come.
Yeah, because now controlling them is very difficult.
You see, we have a home here, and we have also a home here. But they still steal. So we don't know if they are their neighbors or their kids or people from or passengers. No, we don't know that.
No, just the kids of the neighbors.
The neighbors.
Yeah.
But
very stubborn.
they'll act very friendly when you're with them.
Yeah,
But the moment you give them a back, oh my god, everything is gone.
So the solution, I think, is just to plant crops that are common.
That everyone knows.
Yeah, that everyone has. Because like for the watermelons, we are the only people that
are planting watermelons.
Have planted watermelons around. So I think that's the reason as to why they are very eager. Sometimes they even take them off, pluck them off without them ripening.
Yeah, guys, let me tell you, don't see people building big walls and you just criticize them. Over here, people don't want to see you with a good thing, even if it's one fruit. They don't want to see you with that one fruit. They just come in, they just break into it, steal that one fruit. So that's why you see most people over here build tall walls, big tall walls. And also maybe they put even CCTV or even electric wall. So with me sometimes, I can buy what we call a big solar and install here and connect electricity on this wire, the entire fence. And if you
you can install CCTVs at every corner. So that at least we can identify these people, because what I believe that is these people that are just from around, within. So we can identify them. By the end of the day, we can keep them responsible of the actions.
But I'm so much disappointed with this, man. Me, I thought maybe we have to show them ways. They know that, oh, this is a good way. So if they are doing, they want to be our eyes keeper, I thought maybe they will be our eyes. Don't touch.
I even started mentoring some of them, some of these kids, because most of them have dropped out of school.
Yeah, for sure.
So I started mentoring some of them at least. But now I'm heartbroken.
Also, the moment, man, me even have supported kids here to school. I've been supporting them. Like maybe today they say you don't have sugar, you take your $1, you give them. But the moment you just give them a back, they invade here. Even the only thing is that I don't know about the kales, but I wish I could be counting the leaves.
But no,
I wish I could be counting that. I know this is 2, 3. I know, but I know people don't buy vegetable over here. They only see CJ. Oh, he's not around. I'm fear.
They just break things. So with you, there is even a perimeter fence. There is a wire, but they still come in.
They still come in.
There is a gate over there, but they still come in. So controlling them is very difficult.
It's very difficult.
So the only solution is to plant something that is very common, that everybody plants, so that at least we can reduce.
But let me tell you, bro. Tell you one thing. Let them not change your mind. Let us do it. As long as we know you're doing the right thing. Let me tell you, if we plant a whole acre, will they steal the whole acre?
They will. But the problem is that, okay, they won't steal, but the problem is that they're destroying them.
They're destroying
them,
Because
you come into your farm, you find that they've cut across one watermelon, they've left it there.
Actually, I'll show you a small video, a small clip, how they use a machete like this, and then they cut a watermelon into a half. Like my brother's been suffering because he doesn't have a fence. He doesn't have a fence on the other side. So somebody is easily walking through the farm, and he sees this is a watermelon, he split it into 2. So with him, he has been suffering both theft, destroyal about them destroying the watermelon.
Even animals.
Even
sometimes
animals.
You find that they've left the animals to
walk across the farm. So with me here, at least whatever being stolen is like this. The only biggest challenge is they go in. They break in and they steal the watermelon. But with him, animals, kids, big people. But anyway, bro, let's keep on pushing. I know.
Anyway, let's keep on pushing. We know that this is not the end. These are some of the challenges of farming.
Yeah.
You understand that, but we won't lose hope. We know things are coming.
Yeah.
So anyway, guys, let me introduce myself once again. I changed my name, my YouTube name. Yeah. Okay. So it's Emmanuel's Farm.
Emmanuel's Farm, yeah.
I changed it to Emmanuel because Skadi was it used to be my wife's channel.
All right.
But currently I'm the one doing videos there.
Okay.
So I had to change that name to Emmanuel's Farm.
Emmanuel's Farm.
Yeah. So visit me, subscribe. Yeah. Watch my videos. We do farming with CJ here. You can see.
You can see, guys. We are trying a lot. You see, even from here, the watermelons are showing you that they're just visible. For now, they're not much vegetative as before, because when they were too vegetative, you couldn't see the fruits. But right now, the fruits are surpassing the leaves, and the leaves are kind of drying up. So yeah, but anyway, thank you guys, and support, subscribe to Emmanuel's Farm, and also subscribe to Claude Joseph, road to 30,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. And this was just a synopsis of this, but also you can make your orders, or you can maybe also buy this to the children home, or you can buy this for maybe your family, or you can buy this also to maybe take it to school on, or if you have an event, make your orders for our watermelons over here. And also kales will be better for that.
Yeah, sure.
All right, man. Thank you guys, and bye. Bye, guys.